Dude, it looks like he just bailed. Unless there's somebody on the ground or something.
Oh my gosh.
He must have just like... Oh, it's that
That's
guy.
good. It's that guy? Holy shit.
Don't cuss, then we can't put it on TV. Go to the left. Here, hold this. Get on the fire.
Wait.
They're all like...
Oh my gosh.
Kyle, here. Did you get the kids next to everybody? Wow. The kids are just sitting there like...
And they're all okay.
They're all okay.